Feeling just now, I was doing a wonderful job. I missed it. Doing it all behind his wings and side and this side, you can see very well. Quite a lot of effort goes through. It really is fantastic. Keep them clean and tidy. But just now it's the wings right up, done a thorough job. No half measures. And people make a sport of shooting them. I understand killing things to eat, but not to make them suffer in the process. Saying that foxes or vermin, exterminate them in a more humane way rather than chase them like pack dogs, rip them apart. Who's the animals? Not them. More on humans.